We're moving really quickly with Vansah in terms of the dashboard. So what we have released earlier than anticipated is the ability to move columns according to how you wish to see them in the order. So if you sort of grab a column, and you'll see this experience is similar to how Jira functions. So we've made that experience the same, so you can drop that. Now the column is moved. You also can sort of easily see now how the column has been ordered, either descending or in ascending order. So selecting the headline shows that the order's changed in the descending order or ascending order. So moving columns, simple as drag and drop. Alternatively, as you're selecting columns in the top right, you're able to see all the available columns. You can select columns from here that you wish to see on in the Vansah view, the grid view there, and also you're able to move the columns up and down, so making it easy just sort of to structure the order from this point on. And click on save and the order will appear. So moving those columns from here will also display the same order obviously in this view, but you obviously can move columns around, then save that view to see your data in the view you wish. Now what's coming in the end of this release, Sprint 8, release 1.25, which we hope to release by the end of September, is a lot more functionality obviously with the Vansah dashboard, Vansah board, and all these views that you see here will be saved to your profile. So at the moment we're not able to save this particular layout, but you can actually structure the data you wish that you would like to see it. Unfortunately, if you refresh, your last layout will be refreshed back to the default, but very soon you'll be able to save that as you modify your columns and the order, it will be saved. So the next time you log in to Vansah or access Vansah from a different browser, your personal view layout will be saved for you. Give us a like or add your comments. We'll really appreciate your feedback on what's happening so far.